Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic under our discussion is the Oriental region, or is the second zoogeographical region. This is the most important from that point of view. Major portion of the Pakistan is included in Oriental region, with the exception of Balochistan. Balochistan is included in Palearctic region. So, Oriental region is essentially formed of Asia and include all its tropical parts such as India, Pakistan, excluding Balochistan, Sri Lanka, Burma, Malaysia, Indonesia, Indochina, Southern China, and the Philippines. Okay, tropical parts mean parts present, regions present around the equator. Equator is the line which divides the earth into two equal halves. This is the Oriental region. Animals are shown in this region. Now, what are the physical features of the Oriental region? It is separated from Palearctic by the Himalayas in the north and is bounded by Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean on its both sides. However, there is no physical boundary in the southern corner where the island of Malayan archipelago string out until they reach out Australia. Oriental region presents a great variety of physical features. Northern part of the India is composed of grassy plains with the scattered trees and bushes. The northwest is occupied by the desert. The southern portion is more rich in vegetation and is covered with luxuriant forests. Similarly, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Indo-Chinese regions are almost entirely covered with a thick tropical forest and possess a varied and extremely rich fauna. The climate of the Oriental region is mainly tropical. The temperature in the southern part is almost constant and seldom higher than 30 degrees centigrade. Mostly in the Pakistan, temperature, normal temperature or room temperature we consider is the 25 degrees centigrade. In the northern part, in the autumn and winter, the temperature lies between 10 to 20 degrees centigrade, rising in spring and summer. Zoological characteristics in this region, the terrestrial vertebrates are represented by 153 families, of which 10 are peculiar and unique to this region. Peculiar mahsus. These are as follows. Mammals में आएंगे हाइलोबैटेटे गिबून्स, ये बंदर की तरह के होते हैं. टार्सिडी टार्सिडी टार्सीर्स टोपेडी ट्री श्रूज, ये हैं वो कुतर के खाने वाले जानवर. उसके बाद है गेलियोपिथिसिटी फ्लाइंग लैमर्स. बर्ड्स में आएंगे यूरिलेमिडी ब्रॉड बिल्स. रेप्टाइल्स में आएंगे एलाचिस्टोडोंटिडी एग ईटिंग स्नेक्स, यूरोपेल्टिडी शील्ड tail snakes, lanthanodontidae lizards, gavilidae gavials, ये alligator और वो crocodile के भाई हैं. And Lestrinidie big-headed tortoises. In addition to above, several well-known species and genera are quite characteristics of this region. Among the mammals, the orangutan monkeys, ये एक ही फैमिली बनती है, लेकिन ओरेंगुटान की जो है वो ज़्यादा सिमिलैरिटीज आएंगी ह्यूमन के साथ. इंडियन एलिफेंट, राइनोसेरस, Malayan tapirs, pandas, four-horned antelopes, sloth, bear, anteater, and spring dormice, etc., are confined to this region. Although one family of the bird is endemic का मतलब होता है कि वहीं के रहायशी होना. Many brilliantly colored birds live in the Oriental region. These include orioles, thrushes, bulbuls, bluebirds, bee-eater, pigeon, weaver birds, kingfisher, etc. The magnificent peacock and jungle fowl are native to this region. Reptiles are very well represented in this region. There is a particularly large number of poisonous snakes such as vipers, carrots, cobras, as well as python lizards are represented by a number of species of jackals and skinks, as well as venomous crocodiles are widespread. In addition, there are gavials, the long-nosed crocodile confined to the India and Malaya. क्रोकोडाइल और ये जो गेवियंस होते हैं इनकी स्नाउट बहुत लॉन्ग होती है. एक की क्रोकोडाइल, गेवियल, तीसरे होते हैं एलिगेटर. एक की बिल्कुल स्नाउट लंबी और बारीक होगी, एक की यू शेप होती है और एक का माउथ आगे से गोल होता है. इन तीनों का ये डिफरेंस है. फ्रेश वाटर टर्टल, द बिग हेडेड टर्टल, is confined to this region. Beside, there are a number of species of turtles and tortoises. Amphibian, less distinctive and common. frog, toad आपको ज़्यादातर मिलेंगे. Urodales में tailed amphibians आते हैं. is salamanders, however, are absent. Freshwater fish fauna is very rich. At the same time, it is noted for the absence of primitive groups and the dominance of the cyprinids. Cyprinids fishes की family है. Affinities, although Oriental fauna resemble that of Ethiopian, it is neither so rich in endemic families nor does it exhibit a wide variety. It shares hedgehog affinity. दूसरे regions के साथ इसकी similarities ये differences क्या हैं? Hedgehog, porcupine, civet, hyenas, pig, etc. with both Palearctic and Ethiopian region, but a quarter of its mammalian families exclusively share with Africa. These are lorises, oddwood monkeys, apes, pangolins. ये पेंगोलिन से ही कहा गया आजकल कहा जा रहा था कि कोरोना वायरस फैला है. चाइनीज जिसको भी खाते होते हैं हम, ये एक तो वो बैट से और दूसरा इससे खा गया. और ये पेंगोलिन हमारे एरियाज में बहुत कॉमन है. यहाँ से लोग पकड़ के ना इसे इसका इलीगल जो है शिकार करके और इसको फिर एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं दूसरे कंट्रीज में. हमारे चकवाल के एरिया में भी बहुत कॉमन है. Bamboo rats, elephants, rhinoceros, and the Chevrotins, in spite of this considerable resemblance to the Ethiopian fauna, these are striking differences between the two regions. Unlike Ethiopian, the Oriental has moles, bears, tapirs, and deers in its fauna. In contrast, it is without jerboas, conveys, and wild horses. ये आगे देखें आप वर्ड मैप के अंदर देखें इस ये जो कलर्ड शो किया हुआ सेंट्रल चाइना, साउदर्न चाइना, इंडो चाइनीज सब रीजन, इंडो मलायन रीजन, इंडियन सब रीजन और पाकिस्तान का रीजन भी आएगा इसमें विद द एक्सेप्शन ऑफ द बलोचिस्तान. ये सारा ओरिएंटल रीजन के अंदर इंक्लूडेड है. थैंक यू.